Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to turn off this device. The first way to do that is by clicking the Start button right here, then go into Power Options and selecting Shutdown or Update and Shutdown if you have some updates pending on your computer. The alternative way to do that is by pressing the power button on the PC itself. So on your device, just press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the power indicator on your computer goes off right here, and then you can release the power button, and at this point your device is switched off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.